Hello viewers, welcome back to Tradables. Today let's look into the Tradables application to see how the market has been performing. Because last in the current in this current week, like as we have seen, like all the three Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, and IT Nifty have been have been moving in the downtrend, and our Tradables application has been clearly indicating how the market momentum is been showing the market outlook section. And today, if you see in Tradables application, you can see that Nifty 50 is still showing in downtrend, which means that today we are on the last day of the week, and still Nifty 50 is showing in downtrend, and Bank Nifty is also still showing in downtrend. Whereas there has been a huge raise in Nifty IT, because yesterday we had this Q3 results where the results came for TCS, and basis on that results, today TCS has been performing really well, and based on the TCS raise, you can see that Nifty IT has been really performing well, and there has been a huge uptrend, and you can see the appreciation points is also like 1568 points, and the change percentage is also showing around like 3.64 points. So as you can see in our Tradables applications, clearly indicating how the market momentum is about, and even in NSE plus plus also, like if you go to index movers in NSE plus plus also, it is showing a clear indication of Nifty 50 being bearish, Bank Nifty being bearish, and IT Nifty it is showing a clear indication of bullish momentum, and whereas the rest of the others, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap Select is showing bearish, and Reliance is showing neutral. So yesterday Reliance was showing a little bit bearish, but however today it has been come to neutral. And whereas let's look into the candlestick view also. So if you look into the candlestick view of Nifty 50, so Nifty 50 is still like we have been seeing like for the past 5 days it has been in a downtrend. Today also it has been in a downtrend, and even today if you see here it has been. The 15 minutes candle has been trading above minus 140 minus 45 degree, which means it's following the Gann analysis. And in case if the candle comes a little downward till the support point, it may take a support and it can go a little upward. But still we can see that like today Nifty 50, even though there was a huge bearish candle, still we can see there has been a huge raise in middle, like there has been two candles which has been really good rise, and from there it has been there has been a little bit consolidation. But overall to say today Nifty 50 is been showing us is a complete downtrend, and even if you see the appreciation point also, it is in minus 5.35. And the change percentage is also showing at minus 0.001 percentage, which means like it is a huge it's showing a huge downtrend. And whereas Bank Nifty, like I can say, like Bank Nifty is little bit, it's taking a support, and even though it is on a downtrend, it is still showing taking a support. It has still taken a support and little going upward and downward, but still it is showing in a downtrend. I can't exactly tell that Bank Nifty will be going in a complete downtrend today. It can take a support and it is sustained there, but still it is showing, as per the Tradables application, it is still showing downtrend. Whereas Nifty IT, if you can see, it's a clear indication that it is showing a huge bullish momentum. Okay, let's go into the index movers and see how the contributions are for Nifty 50. So if you look into Nifty 50 contributions, so it is showing here like almost 20 out of 50 counters are in positive counter contributions, and 30 out of 50 are in negative contributions. Whereas if you look into the sectors, so let's see today I'm sure the sector, if you look into sectors, information technology is being in the highest positive contributor, whereas still financial services is still showing in the negative contribution. Okay, let's go into the Bank Nifty. Today Bank Nifty still it has been sustaining, like ICICI Bank, like for the past 4-5 days we have been seeing that HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank have been contributing in the negative contributor, and today still ICICI Bank has been a negative contributor, whereas AU Bank is now showing as a positive contributor. So let's see IT Nifty. So if you look into IT Nifty today, almost 10 out of 10 counters are showing in a positive contributions, and TCS, Infi, Techcam, HCL, Wipro, all these are showing in positive contributors. So if you're looking into equities, and if you want to buy good stocks for your investment purposes, so this would be the best thing. Today would be the best day for people to invest on for doing buying stocks and investments, because TCS, Infi, Techcam, all these are showing in a positive contributor. And still, if you want to see the trends also, in case if you want to go for investment purpose, so you can go to heat maps. So if you go to heat maps and in IT Nifty, you can see that there has been a change in the trend. So almost if you see like TCS has been performing low for almost a couple of days, and today there is a trend change. So if you see like short term, long term, and mid term, all the three terms are showing in a uptrend. So which means that it's a good sign of users who want to do good investment. They can invest on these particular stocks. And even let's see what are the other counters today have been showing an uptrend. LTIM is also showing all the three terms as uptrend, and even Infi is showing an uptrend, and HCL Tech is also showing an uptrend. So let's see what are the other stocks which are showing in an uptrend. So I think these are the 4 stocks which have been showing as an uptrend. And if you look into the if you want to go for other sections where you can see what would be the next best fair values for IT Nifty. So if you look here, Nifty IT is been at 44,637, whereas in the best fair value you can see here what will be the next best fair value. It will be like 44,868 will be the next value. And if you look into the all-time high also, the all-time high has already broken. And if you see here, 43,784 was the highest all-time high, but this has broke at 43,784, and right now it has been trading at around 44,646. So overall, I can say that today Nifty IT has been performing really well, and whereas Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty are still showing us a downtrend. Let's see how the trend is going to change in the coming weeks, like from Monday, and I'll catch you all in the next video on Monday to see how the trends will be changing and how the market is going to behave for Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, because this entire week you can see like Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty have been going on the downtrend, whereas after this entire week, like even Nifty IT was also in a downtrend, but today we can see a huge raise. Similarly, we'll see in the next week how these indices are really going to perform. So let's meet you all in the next video. Thank you.